Gas prices climbing? How about you climb into a new EV with Patrick Cadillac? Today we're taking a look at the Cadillac Lyriq and the Cadillac Optiq. Both of these are great selling EVs for the Cadillac brand. We're going to dive into both of these in just a second, but what I really want to talk about is the features of both of these and kind of the outside. Similar in a sense as they're both EVs. They both have, around 300 miles of range. A little bit different cargo size. Both really, really solid electric vehicles for the Cadillac brand. And we're going to dive into some features today. Taking a look at the features on these vehicles. The Lyriq, we have the standard single motor rear wheel drive, which gives you 326 EPA estimated miles of range with 365 horsepower. Available dual motor all wheel drive, which gives you 319 EPA estimated miles of range, 515 horsepower, and towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. The Lyriq V gives you the performance dual motor all wheel drive with 285 EPA estimated miles of range and 615 horsepower in Velocity Max mode. With the Optiq, we have the single motor rear wheel drive, which gives you 317 miles of range and 315 horsepower. The dual motor all wheel drive, which gives you 303 miles of range and 440 horsepower. And the Optiq V dual motor all wheel drive gives you 278 miles of range and 519 horsepower in Velocity Max mode. The driver modes here are the same on both models. You'll have the Tour, which is predominantly the mode for everyday driving with tuning and calibration tailored for a smooth ride. Snow and Ice, which is a mode intended to help prevent wheel spin in snow or other slippery conditions. Sport mode, which is calibrated for an enhanced feeling of road connection, more immediate torque response, and improved steering at higher speeds. You'll have My mode, which is more of a personalized experience. This mode allows you to change characteristics of your drive, including accelerator responsiveness, steering feel, braking responsiveness, and electric vehicle sound enhancement. You'll also get V mode on the V Series Lyriq and Optiq, which allows you to tune the following: accelerator pedal, brake pedal, suspension, steering, sound enhancement, and competitive mode pre-configuration. Across both of these models, you'll get regenerative braking featuring Regen On Demand and one-pedal driving. Regen On Demand is a driver-controlled deacceleration feature that allows you to slow down or stop your Lyriq and Optiq with a dedicated pressure-sensitive paddle located on the steering wheel. The system also converts the kinetic energy into electricity, which is stored in your battery pack for future use. With one-pedal driving, this allows you to slow down and or stop your Lyriq or Optiq using only the accelerator under most driving conditions. The system also converts kinetic energy from the vehicle's forward momentum into electricity, which is also stored in the battery pack for future use. Both of these models have Google Assistant built in. You can talk directly to Google in your compatible Cadillac and get hands-free help in the car. Easily call or text a friend, set reminders, or even change the temperature in your vehicle. You can also find the best route to your next destination or look up what's nearby. Skipping to the next track or rewinding a podcast is easy using some of your favorite media apps. Just say, "Hey Google," or press the push to talk button on your steering wheel to get started. These models are integrated with Google Maps as well. All the trip information you need, such as live traffic updates, charging station locations, is seamlessly integrated for a smooth, confident driving experience. With Google Play, you can easily download some of your favorite apps, music, podcasts, audiobooks, and more for an in-vehicle experience that's easier to use than your phone. The infotainment system on both of these models features a 33-inch Horizon display with 9K resolution and over 1 billion colors. The safety features on the Lyriq and the Optiq are nearly identical. When it comes to charging, public DC fast charging is going to be your fastest option anytime you travel, from road trips to city drives. For the Lyriq, you can charge up to 86 miles in about 10 minutes on the public DC fast charger. And with charging on the Optiq, you can get about 81 miles in about 10 minutes on the public DC fast charger. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you learned a little bit more about these exciting electric vehicles from Patrick Cadillac. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this, and we'll see you next time.